women may have a better chance of surviving the most dangerous forms of cancer thanks to a few drops of blood.
The biomarker developed by a University of New England professor could revolutionize early detection and treatment for patients with aggressive forms of cancer, such as triple-negative breast cancer and ovarian cancer. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee explains.
In the fight against cancer, researchers are always trying to find answers to the most critical questions.
Whether the treatment is working or not.
Dr. Sri Mohan, a pharmacy professor at the University of New England, has been working on a cancer biomarker test since 2014. With just a few drops, the technology searches for a biomarker in the blood, a potential game changer for women with triple-negative breast cancer. The disease affects about 70,000 patients each year across the U.S.
By having this technology available, we could potentially make this as part of their annual preventive care.
Mohan says doctors could use the test to immediately determine whether breast cancer treatments such as chemotherapy are working. If the treatments are not working, patients could switch to different therapies that are more effective in eliminating cancerous cells. In some cases, the patient may be able to avoid having a mastectomy.
And we can totally avoid and help patients in having a less invasive treatment for them.
UNE partnered with Maine Health to conduct a clinical trial involving 44 Mainers. To help with the FDA approval process, UNE signed its first intellectual property license agreement with Satya Diagnostics. The Maine-based testing company was recently granted $100,000 in Maine Health bonfire funding to help improve cancer detection. Researchers say the easy-to-use test can also be used in communities across the globe.
The patient outcomes will be much more improved. You know that the type of cancer and the type of treatment that will be most effective.
The next round of FDA clinical trials will involve 200 to 300 patients nationwide. And when will the test be available to patients? Mohan says the hope is within 5 years. In Portland, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
Researchers also say those tests could eventually supplement routine mammograms and could be used as a diagnostic tool for ovarian and other cancers.